Morning.
Morning, Jane.
Good morning, Sandy, Sarah. How can I help you today?
We're really excited about Christmas.
We're looking for Christmas decorations.
And some gifts and chocolates too.
We want a lot of nice presents.
The new decorations have just arrived. Take a look, and we also have a special discount at the moment.
Thanks.
Mom, which one do you like?
I like the red one, but we can take them both.
What do we need, Mom?
We need tinsel, baubles, and lights.
How about the Christmas tree?
We have that already. Don't you remember?
Anything else?
Some biscuits and chocolates.
Cool! I love chocolates.
Is that everything, Sandy?
Yes, that's it.
Thank you so much for shopping here.
Thank you.
You're welcome anytime.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
Wow! Mom, look at that! It's starting to snow. It's going to be a white Christmas. Nice.